these three things that I'm going to mention before you start up your YouTube channel. These three things that I'm going to mention is very, very important. You do it before you start up your YouTube channel. It's going to help you to become a successful YouTuber in this platform. Yes, it's going to help you to grow so fast. It's going to help you to be successful in the journey of starting up your YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is find the channels that is in your niche. Yes, find the channels that is in your niche. Before you start up your YouTube channel, first of all, you're going to create a YouTube channel. Then when you create that your YouTube channel, you go to YouTube and search for the channels that are in the same niche that you want to go into. Check their channels, check how they do their things, check the mistake that they have made, so that you will not also make the same mistakes. Okay, you need to check how they do their things, learn from them. They say we learn from other people's mistakes. Check their mistakes so that you cannot make the same mistake, and check how they do create their content. Check what is making their audience to love what they do on their channel. After you have finished checking the channels that are in the niche that you want to go into, you can now sit down and do your things, arrange yourself, and come up in a way that when you pop up your video, you are not even anybody that see your video will not even know that you are an upcomer. They will not even know that you are a beginner. It will look so well, it will look so arranged, it will look so perfect that anybody that see your channel will think that you are an OG. You have been posting videos before now. Okay, so you need to check the channels that are in your niche, and check where they have made mistake and the correction that they have given to themselves, so that you will not fall into the same mistake. Okay, so the second thing you need to do is recreate trending videos. Yes, recreate trending videos. Let's take for instance, you want to go into reaction video, you want to go into all this trending stuff. When you are into reaction video, if you know what is on trend that moment, you know what is trending at that moment, you recreate it. Especially those that are into reaction video, if you know what is trending at that moment, you recreate it, because what is trending will go viral. Anything that is on vogue will go viral. Just like when Ruby Ojako finished her wedding, there was a time that Angela Okoye and some Nollywood actresses, they were like having clash on social media. So if you are into reaction, if you make that kind of video, it will go viral, it will sell, because people are like, what are they up to this time around? Anybody that sees that thumbnail on your video, or sees Angela Okoye's picture, Mr. Joseph's picture, Regina Daniel's picture, or Destiny Tico's picture on your video, will try to watch that video. They will try to know what's up, what is happening. Okay, so recreate trending videos. It will help you to sell very well. Okay, I'm just giving instance for those that are into reaction videos. Then for those that are into lifestyle vlog, people like seeing what is happening in your life. Do market vlog. If you go to market, do market vlog. Show the cost of items in your area, cost of market foodstuff item in your area, because everything is cost now, and some people want to know if the price of things in their area is the same price of things in other people's area. Just like tomatoes now, tomatoes is very cost. So if you're into lifestyle vlog and you go to market and see, and you'll be like, guess how much I bought this painter of tomatoes. People would like to see how much, or to know how much you bought the tomatoes, because they would like to check if the price that are selling tomatoes in your area is the same with the price of tomatoes in their own area. Okay, recreate trending videos. It will help your video to do well. It will help you to grow fast as a beginner on YouTube. Okay, so the last but not the least, upload every day. Yes, consistency is very, very important. Consistency matters a lot. The reason why you need to upload every day is because you don't know when the YouTube algorithm will remember your channel. You might be like, oh, I'm not going to upload today, let me just rest, maybe tomorrow I will upload. You don't know if that day that you are not going to upload, if that day is the day that are going to recommend your video. You don't know if it's that day that your video will peak. So you need to upload every day. as a beginner, disturb YouTube with your videos. Tell them that you have arrived. Make them to notice your channel, because if you upload every day, they'll be like, wow, this person that is disturbing us, okay, let us look at her channel, let us see what she is up to. So when they come to your channel, they see your videos, they, if you are uploading every day, they're still trying to check your channel, and tomorrow you have given them another video, they'll be like, why is this person disturbing us? Okay, well, let's push our video. You see, so you don't know if it's that day that you're not going to upload, it's the day that your video is going to peak. That is the main reason why you need to upload every day. Consistency is very, very important. As a beginner, consistency matters a lot. Upload every day in your channel. Don't even backslide. You can use a day to create 5 or 4 videos. You can use a day to create so many videos that you're going to upload. All you need to do is, you can upload them that the same day. You can edit all the videos and upload them that the same day. If you know that you don't normally have chance during the week, you are always busy with so many activities, you can use weekend to create your content. Okay, when you finish creating your content during the weekend, edit it and schedule it. Post it and schedule it through your YouTube Creator Studio. Schedule it so that each day a video will pop up. Each day a video will pop up. You must not make video that day and post it that day. You can create it maybe during the weekend and schedule it to play during the week. Okay, by doing so, you are consistent. By doing so, you are just making YouTube to notice your channel and to push your video. Some of the videos that I do upload, I have created them since. I have made the video since. It's just that I schedule it, that I might create a video today being 21st of April, then I schedule it to play on 22nd of April. If you're seeing the video on 22nd of April, you might think that is that 22nd that I I filmed the video, not knowing that I filmed the video yesterday being 21st. Okay, so you need to be consistent. It will help YouTube to remember your channel. It will help you to grow so fast in this YouTube space. Okay, so guys, I have come to the end of this particular video. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I would love to see you in my another video.